Welcome to the ultimate resurrection. This is the Silver Beast, Hummer H2 full restoration. There was a time when this beast was nothing but silence. Its engine cold, its body forgotten under layers of dust and years of neglect. But legends, they don't fade, they wait. Wait for the right hands to bring them back, piece by piece, bolt by bolt, memory by memory. Today, we don't just restore metal, we restore soul. This is the rebirth of the Hummer H2, a machine once broken, now reborn in glory. Collision from rust to roar. From ruin to road.